What's up, everybody? This is the Tech Preacher. So one of the biggest questions I've been getting on my YouTube channel is why I haven't made a dedicated video of the camera system and the new My FLIR, right, on the all-new Tank 5 Pro. And one of the reasons why is because I got an issue with my unit. Look like if I factory reset this device a couple of times, the application itself is not working. As you can see, every time I click on it, it's not working, it's crashing. This is going to be the gallery for it, right? But it's nothing happening here. Now I factory reset this device a few times and I'm getting the same result. So yes, I look like I have a bad software unit. At first, I thought that it was a possibility that I was waiting on maybe a software update or something like that to fix this device, but nah, it's no software update. I haven't got the software update yet on the Tank 5 Pro, so I was kind of waiting on the software update to see if it's going to fix this issue. But right now, I can't do a camera review on the Tank 5 Pro because the software is not there. In fact, I reset this device a few times, and the application is crashing itself. So I'm gonna wait for some sort of software update, maybe some sort of bug fix. I'm gonna probably reach out to the my contact and see what's an alternative or maybe a replacement. If I don't get that, I will kind of check back with you guys maybe a week or so and let you guys know that yes, one of the reasons why I haven't made a dedicated camera review or a review of the My FLIR, My FLIR, right, is because the app is crashing. And this is like my third or fourth time factory resetting this device. Kind of give an example of the factory reset. If I go into, let's say, storage, there we go. See, you can see there's nothing on here, right? So I'm fully factory reset. And this is going to be the 512 gigs and only use 17 gigs of the storage that's based on this device. As you can see, 0 images, 0 videos, 0 audio. Applications, that's the applications that came on the device. I have no games, no documents, and nothing like that. So this is a fully factory reset device. Since it's fully factory reset, which I've done it a few times, cannot get the application to come on at all. So right now everything is paused with the Tank 5 Pro until I get some things fixed with it, a software update or something like that. And right now there is no software update available for this device as of me recording this, which is August 25th 2026. Just so y'all guys know, this is Eric. Make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. See you guys on the next video. Peace.